When summer is in peak, people wants to search some hill station nearby city. Then Kodaikanal is a popular choice, located in Dindigul district, Tamil Nadu, India. In Tamil language, Kodaikanal means the gift of the forest and also known as the princess of hill stations. From Chennai Central, Kodaikanal is 525 km via Tiruchirappalli and 605 km via Salem. It is well connected from Bangalore and Coimbatore also. Kodaikanal was established by American Christian missionaries and British in 1845. Here, peak season is April to June and September to December is a rainy season. Hi friends, welcome to your channel Travels and Tips. To get this type of informative video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. On the way, we stopped to see the viewpoint. 8 km before reach to Kodaikanal, you can enjoy the Silver Cascade Falls on the road. Next day morning, we started our journey from Moyer viewpoint. It is named after Sir Thomas Moyer, an engineer who laid out foundation to build a new road which is known as 40 Mile Road in 1929. After that, we came to a famous point named Devil's Kitchen, but popularly known as Guna Caves, made popular by a Tamil movie Guna. These dangerous caves are highly protected now due to a death of 12 youths. Due to a festive season, you can see crowd everywhere. Now came to the opposite side of Guna Caves. Popular name is Pillar Rocks. 3 giant rock pillars stand 400 feet high. The viewpoint is always crowded, but it is worthy. This is the Green Valley Point, 3.5 km from Pillar Rocks, previously known as Suicide Point, opposite side of golf course. Now this point is highly commercialized with varieties of shops. On the way, you can see 500 years wild jamun tree. Oh my God, a wild bison. Coca Swamp. Just 500 meters from main bus stand, 1 kilometer long stretch to view the southern Kodaikanal. On a clear day, one can view Dolphin Nose and the valley of Pambar River. Kodaikanal Lake. We finished our first day journey here. Roughly star-shaped artificial lake built in 1863. This is the popular landmark of Kodaikanal. You can hire a boat and enjoy the lake. Horses and bicycles can be hired besides the lake. Next morning, our destination is Bryant Park. It is just nearby lake and 500 meters from main bus stand. A 20-acre big botanical garden built in 1908 by a forest officer H.D. Bryant. The park organizes horticultural exhibition and flower shows every summer. The park is very famous for its cactus collections.